All right, I'm doing another mechanical pencil. This is a uni. This is the Kuru Toga, I believe it's pronounced. This is the advanced model. This is the 0.5 size. As you can see, it's a blue one. As you can see, it's 0.5 there at the top. You can't really see it, sorry. Try to get it on camera. But you can see there's writing at the top there. This comes out. You have a eraser, real tiny. Never understood why they even bother with such a small one. I like the ones that have that twist top, but it has advance right here on the clip. You can probably see some sketching, maybe you can read it. It has an open barrel. This barrel rotates. As you can see here, this is, and it has, here, let me see if maybe you can see better here. Yeah, it rotates. The lead rotates on this one, and the tip retracts as you write. So every time you go up and down on the paper, it rotates. Rotation, rotation. When you take it off, it rotates. Off, rotate, off, rotate. And the lead I'm using on this one is the Hi-uni HB 0.5. You can read that. There you go, that's even better. And here it says pressure proofed high density leads. I like these leads. Well, this one so far. I haven't really tried any of the other leads other than the wood pencils of the same Hi-uni name, and I thought they were good pencils, wood pencils. All right, the balance on this is right there, and the weight, it's a little top heavy, and as you can see, it's retracted, the barrel, and it comes out. If it comes out, what the hell? There it is. So you can see the lead is coming out now. And this tip retracts as you write, as you can see. Hopefully that comes out in the video. But I'm going to go ahead and do some writing. Since this one rotates as you write, I'm going to go ahead and do the full alphabet so you can see. You want to keep it at a slight angle, not straight up. We go at a slight angle, simply because that's the way they want you to do it. Because if you go straight down, there's no real reason to have it rotating. You'll understand. There's some good videos. Because, here, let me go ahead and just draw it out. Because if you have it at an angle, if you keep the pencil at an angle, it'll have a consistent tip like that. But if you go straight down, it'll have a flat tip the entire time. So, well, depending on how you write, how you want the writing to appear, you want a sharp tip. Here, I'll go ahead and do an example of going straight down. I'm going to go ahead and do that number thing. And let's do some lines. Still turning the entire pencil as I write the line. Do the swirls. Then I'm going to do those lines so I can erase them. Alright, let's go ahead and see what I've got. The top one there, of the letters, is at the angle, and the ones below it are the straight down. You can tell a slight difference, but as you write, you will notice the difference, I think. Alright, let me go ahead and do the erasing. Let me go ahead and advance that a little. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's the erasing on that one. This one being the black eraser, this one being the stick white eraser. Alright, that's that one, and I will see you on the next one.